of of the two types of farmers,
Yeah.
one owning the land and the other without land, no, is very significant. The difference is very significant in favor of the one owning the land. No?
Okay.
And to think that we have already distributed 4 million hectares as far as that is concerned, and around 3 million hectares as far as DNR is concerned. We have distributed 7 million hectares. No, so by far, that is the greatest land transfer ever undertaken by any government in the whole world.
So why are there still groups maybe that are critical of the program, and they're saying that, well, farmers who have actually, been given the land somehow have not improved over the years?
Because they are looking for a dramatic change, in the quality of life of the farmer, no? But we must consider, in fact, even yung the sad state of agriculture at this point is being blamed on agrarian reform, no? But we also have studies that there is no correlation between agrarian reform and the sad state of agriculture in the Philippines today.
Why not? Because a lot of people will say that
in the first place, if you take a look at the yung record ng agricultural performance in the Philippines, it has been low. It has been low for the last 30 years, no?
Whether it was owned by the original landowners or whether the farmers took
Yes,
it over.
there's a difference between the productivity of a land that has been transferred and the productivity of a land that has been